Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just sold my Nikes, all my Nike calls. You can see here. Do, 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 do. I actually sold them yesterday, before market close, and I made I think like a 90% gain on these for the calls. So all we're really looking for now, Nike, great, 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 super awesome. First example of the breakout strategy. For Apple, currently playing Apple, again, same strategy. Currently up 100%. I can actually sell these right now because they hit my percentage increase. So if usually I have a three take profits, and then I also have a percentage take profit. So if I it usually depends which one hits first. So if it hits my first take profit, then I usually take profit there, or it's usually when, for example, I hit a certain percentage. So if I hit 80, 90, 100%, I would usually also just take profit on everything. So I might take profit even on these apples, even though it hasn't hit $146. I might let these ride today just to kind of see what's going on with Apple, but I might take profit on these apples. So the Apple breakout strategy worked out fantastic. Also, I'm in cost. I think for Costco, I needed to hit 400. I forgot what the price was. But currently, I'm up 6% in these Costco's. I'm gonna hold these for a little bit, and I am also in, what is it? What did I buy? DocuSign. I bought DocuSign I think yesterday. Currently in DocuSign, down about 1%. And I think those are all the plays for now. And I was actually in the Microsoft one, which that one actually almost hit. I think I actually sold early because I wanted the money to buy, I think, like Costco or something. But yeah, for Microsoft, I needed it to hit 280. I actually sold the calls. What was it? Yeah, I sold it yesterday. So I bought it for 605, sold it for 795, made like a quick, what, 190 bucks, I don't know. And yeah, but so far Nike's doing great. I could basically already sell out of my apples, and I'm just waiting for Costco and DocuSign to hit. And I'm telling you guys, you really only need one or two. Like you really only need one or two, like really, really, really solid plays. Like that, the Nike ones, yeah, that's your player of the month. The Apple, that's your player of the month. I just did two, roughly, two plays that are 100%. And then I'm expecting Costco and DocuSign to maybe hit in the next month or so. But like I said, breakout strategy, I think it works great, and it's definitely consistent. That's why I'm only gonna start using my breakout strategy for options now. I'm not gonna do any more week or 2 week stuff. It's just because it's so inconsistent, right? But like I said, I taught you guys the breakout strategy so you guys can learn by yourselves because it works, and I don't want you guys to constantly rely on me or other people to do like certain things. But so far right now, Costco, DocuSign, Apple, those are the only ones we're waiting for for price to hit. Apple already 102 percentage increase, so I might sell out of these a little bit later today. But I think for Apple I needed it to hit 146, which it looks like it's probably gonna hit. So I'll see you guys later.